Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is Introduction to Organism and Environment. What exactly is ecology? Ecology studies the interactions among organisms and between the organism and its abiotic environment. Okay students, it studies the interaction among organisms and between the organism and its abiotic environment. This particular term, ecology, is developed by joining two Greek words, ecos and logos, and this term was coined by Sir Ernst Haeckel. Students, one thing to remember, the structure of the various organisms, that is the various animals or the various birds, depends upon their surroundings. Even the habits of these organisms are completely dependent on their environment. Moving on students, now let us talk about gene ecology. Yes students, you are very correct. This has something to do with genes and genetics. Students, gene ecology is the study of genetic composition and the changes in relation to the origin of ecads, ecotypes and new species. You must be thinking, what are these ecads and ecotypes? Students, these are basically species which have adapted, and when I say adapted, they have actually genetically adapted to their particular local environments. And we use the word ecads and ecotypes for them. Students, also let us turn our attention to the next topic, that is the levels of ecological organization. We start with the very basic, the smallest, the unit of hierarchy in ecological organization, that is one single individual or an organism. As mentioned, it is the basic unit of ecological hierarchy and it can self-regulate itself. Next level is population. It is a group of similar individuals in a particular geographical space which belong to the same species and are capable of interbreeding among themselves. Next students, an ecotype is a local population which is genetically adapted to its environment.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.